Start.
Good evening, ma'am, and my all dear friends. My name is Ashish Jaiswal, and today I'll speak about why English is important in our life. From childhood, we have some dream, like to become an astronaut, to become an engineer, to become a doctor. But it was the dream of other people. From my childhood, I had a dream of to become a fluent in English and to learn how to learn and to master in English. So earlier, I was not able to speak in English. I was just feeling formal and nervous in front of other people. Gradually, when I grew up, I realized in life English is important. As much as I was thinking, it was base. And when I came to know about English, then I realized, yeah, we should learn English, but we had not resources of English in village. So I had to shift in Mumbai. From there, I started learning English. But it was not easy task to achieve and to master English, to learn English. Earlier, I was facing a lot of problem when before joining Excellence, I used to find some of the classes, but it was not the class. But I could not find a good class where I can enhance my English and where I can be fluent in English. But somehow I found Excellence. It was a God's gift for me that I found Excellence. I saw the banner from outside of the road, and there was a banner where I read. It was written like you can improve your English guaranteed. So I was interested before. From childhood only I was interested in speaking and English because I used to see many people on advertisement. They used to speak in English, and sometimes we did not used to understand what they are saying. Like in interviews, any interviews happens, and also ceremony. They introduce themselves in English only. So we feel embarrassing, like in hotel when we go in hotel, the manager and also the restaurant manager speaks only in English. So while ordering food, we feel embarrassing that because we are not able to speak in English, and they also think he or she is from middle class family, so they are not able to speak in English. But it is not like that. Even if you are from higher class, then if you are from higher class, even if you don't know English, then there is no value of your high class. There will not be any status. You will always be judged by your English. Like whenever if you want to crack interview, first of all, first priority will be English. They will ask first, give you introduction. So in introduction, we have to give we have to introduce about ourselves. Not in Hindi, not in Marathi, not in Gujarati, but only in English. Because in corporate level, we have to speak in English only. And as we know, English is a corporate language and also an international language where people speak every day. Like every day I see and many people while going on the road, they talk to their son, and son also talks in English with them. So once you become master, once you learn English, your whole family background will automatically change. Because suppose people are from lower class family and they are not able to afford any good classes and they are not able to speak in English. So their upcoming generation will become like them. Suppose if one person will be educated, one person will educate himself and become a good speaker in English, so he can teach their children, teach their upcoming generation. Then how can we start learning English? How can we do master English? So their generation will be their generation will be safe, and they won't face any problem in their future. If they are not able to speak in English, the whole process will keep on repeating. So English is a best language. English is a language which we should always learn from our childhood. Still I have seen many people who are